Good morning, Jocelyn. This is me, Rich. I think I figured out what your test is about. So the green variables up here, right? These are your demographic variables: gender, age, ethnicity, language, whether they're employed or not, their educational level, and how long they've worked. So these are your demographics. So the blue one's up here, starting with number 11. I think these are the questions that somehow will measure your leadership effectiveness. So, in other words, question 11: in your experience, who is more willing to take a calculated risk? These people, according to their opinions, are going to vote either 1 for female, 2 for male, 3 for neutral, whatever it is. So I think all of these questions are the same. So I'm going to pick question 15. Bam. So in your experience, who does the majority of staff members turn to for empathy? So in other words, that's a leadership, right? Who would people turn to for leadership? So I think that's what these questions are. And again, their answers would either be a female, a male, or neutral. So I think what you have to do next is, I started them out for you. You have to go to each one of your questions and count out how many ones there are, how many twos there are, and how many threes there are, just like this. And that will allow you to make some kind of conclusion about which of the genders, if any, is favorited by the people taking your survey. Okay, so this is what you should do. So all of your questionnaires that are measuring leadership, that's question 11 through, hold on, let me see how long that goes. So all the way out here to 33. Okay, what you should do is go down and count how many ones there are, how many twos there are, how many threes there are in each one of these, okay? So it kind of looks like this one. Hold on. So they look like these down here on the bottom down here. But that's all I can think of for now. Talk to you soon. Bye.